Hi, my name is Ziyana from Lifecare International, and there's around 20 of our executives actually here today with us. I honestly feel like this is possibly the best AI workshop I've actually attended, and I have attended a few other ones. And the reason for that is because it's very hands-on. As soon as you get to the workshop, you're on your laptop, you're using different agents, you're using different models, you're looking at how to integrate them. And I feel like a lot of other AI workshops that I've previously attended have been very focused on the actual theory of it rather than the practical application. It's been extremely useful for us so far. There's numerous tools and tips and tricks that we've been given that I feel like will actually help propel each department within our organization. Whether it's even something as small as like not uploading a PDF, these aren't typically tips and tricks that you find online through various YouTube videos and channels. And so for that reason, I feel like the experience and also the learnings have been invaluable. And I personally look forward to taking the Train the Trainer program very, very soon.